Greetings, people, and welcome back to the Ganja God Show. I am your host, DabQween Ganja God. And today, people, we're not gonna do no herb, but we're gonna make some chocolate tea. So make me show you what I want, and what I want. Alright, good people. So we're gonna take the chocolate here now, right? Get yourself a grater, right? But don't put chocolate in there.
Yeah, man, people, we fling like a chocolate in there, and you just go greater and greater as much as you want. Yeah, me love whole heap of chocolate in my something. So yes, you say me I go full up my pot full of the chocolate tea. No, people, natural chocolate it grow in a pod. Mm-hmm. And you see from after you take it out of the pod and you clean it and you get the actual chocolate bean them, you gotta make sure you patch it, you beat it, you gotta roast it a little bit and then you gotta roll it up. After you done beat it, you gotta roll it up in the chocolate ball. Where you see me just use and grater and you gotta put it in the fridge and make it add up. Is what may I say? All natural chocolate straight from out of Jamaica. I mean, big up moms and thank you for the chocolate. You see, you want your chocolate tea for boil, yeah, and it full of hot oil, so now make it burn you. Just make sure you put it down pan low and make it simmer, make the bubble them just a bubble and a turn over.
Alright, people, just a little update, little progress. You see me progression, because we say up to the times and we have to say future is for we, not only mine. So as you can see, you see the chocolate a bubble, it a bubble, it a bubble, it a bubble, it a bubble. So as it move along, you gonna see it a get darker and darker, and you can see more of the oil a come out. This is what we want. You want natural ganja. Excuse me, chocolate tea.
This is the real color of chocolate, people. Real chocolate. You see that red color there? That for sure you the natural ingredients and vitamins and minerals were good for your body. Well, me no put no sugar nor honey in that my chocolate tea, yeah? But if you want, you can use little cane juice and sweeten it said way. But if you really want to get the fullness of it, you da put like a nutmeg, like a vanilla in there and full jar yourself. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And